Today, we're talking about one of the most mind-blowing logistics systems on the entire planet, the Dabbawalas of Mumbai. Seriously, this is a story that just seems to defy all logic, so let me set it up for you like a bit of a riddle. Okay, first, just try to imagine a business that handles 400,000 transactions every single day. I mean, the scale is just massive. We're talking about coordinating hundreds of thousands of individual items moving all across a crazy busy megacity. Now, what if I told you that this same business has an accuracy rate of 99.9999%? That is what's known as a 6 Sigma level of quality. It's a standard of near perfection that huge global corporations spend billions of dollars trying to achieve. To put that in perspective for you, their chance of making a mistake is just 1 in 16 million. And here is the most astonishing part of the puzzle, the part that just doesn't seem to compute. What if this unbelievable system was run by a workforce where 85% of the people are illiterate, and they do it using almost no modern technology, no GPS, no tracking software, nothing? It sounds totally impossible, right? But it is very, very real. So the big question for us today is pretty simple. How on earth do they do it? You see, the Dabbawalas are way more than just a delivery service. They are truly a world-class model for logistical excellence. This is a system built on pure human ingenuity, flawless coordination, and incredible teamwork. And it just proves you don't always need high-tech gadgets to achieve perfection. So at its heart, what they do is simple. The Dabbawalas deliver about 200,000 hot, home-cooked lunches from workers' homes to their offices. And then they return the empty containers that very same afternoon. Now, this is absolutely vital in a city like Mumbai, where millions of people have these long commutes on packed trains. Trying to carry your own lunchbox in that chaos is, well, it's pretty much impossible. Now, to really understand how this system ticks, we've got to break it down. So let's go through some of the key words and concepts that really define their whole operation. First up, we have to think of the Dabbawalas as a massive enterprise. This isn't just a few guys running around. Nope. This is a highly organized logistical powerhouse with 5,000 people, all working in perfect sync across a giant city. And this enterprise handles an incredible number of transactions. Just remember, every lunch delivery and then its return journey is a separate action. And that's how you get to that staggering figure of 400,000 daily transactions. That huge volume makes their accuracy all the more amazing. This is their defining feature. An error rate of 1 in 16 million means you could use this service for your entire career and you'd probably never have your lunch go missing. That level of precision is almost unheard of. Now, the fact that the workforce is largely illiterate is what makes the system's design so ingenious. It shows that the system isn't built on formal education, but on this brilliant visual language, a language of symbols, colors, and memory that anyone can master. And of course, this entire operation is situated in Mumbai. This is not a model that was imported from somewhere else. It's a completely homegrown solution, perfectly adapted to the unique geography and challenges of this sprawling Indian metropolis. And understanding that geography is key. Most of their customers live in the suburbs, these huge residential areas outside the city's main business district. And that's where the long journey of each lunchbox begins, every single morning. Because they live in the suburbs, these workers have to commute, often traveling for hours on congested public transit. And this difficult daily journey is precisely what created the need for the Dabbawalas service in the first place. To serve this need, the efficiency is absolutely everything. They achieve the maximum possible productivity with the absolute minimum of wasted effort, time, or cost. It is the core principle that allows them to do this at such a huge scale and for an affordable price. So, how do they achieve it? Well, the whole process resembles a perfectly synchronized relay race. No single person makes the entire journey from a home to an office. Instead, the lunchboxes are passed seamlessly from one Dabbawala to the next, and each person is responsible for just one leg of the trip. A key part of this relay is their brilliant color coding scheme. This refers to the system of colors, letters, and numbers that are painted on the lids of the lunchboxes. It acts like a low-tech GPS, guiding each container through this complex network. This coding system is their most important tactic. It's a specific strategy that makes sorting fast and intuitive. It's this combination of a human relay and visual coding tactics that eliminates the need for complex technology and ensures such high accuracy. And the result of all of these interconnected pieces? A system that is, for all intents and purposes, flawless. I mean, while nothing is ever truly perfect, the Dabbawalas operation comes astonishingly close, day in and day out. So now that we've got the core principles down, let's see how it all comes together in action. We're going to follow a single lunch container, which is called a tiffin, on its daily journey across Mumbai. So the process is a 6-stage relay. First is collection, where a local Dabbawala picks up about 30 tiffins from homes in one neighborhood. Then, at the local train station, they get their first sorting based on their destination. They travel by train, then get a second sorting at the destination station. After that, a final Dabbawala makes that last mile final delivery to the right office. And then, in the afternoon, the entire process happens all over again, but in reverse, to get the empty tiffins back home. So the big question is, how do they keep it all straight with so many moving parts? Well, it is all thanks to that simple, brilliant code on the lid of each tiffin. Different colors show the starting train station, while a series of numbers and characters gives the precise delivery address, the neighborhood, the specific building, and even the floor. It's a low-tech GPS that everyone involved can understand instantly. And this perfectly illustrates why this system is so admired all over the world. You know, it's so effective and efficient that it's been studied by Harvard Business School and has even earned the respect of logistics giants like FedEx. It really is a masterclass in the genius of simplicity. Okay, so let's put all the pieces together one last time and summarize this incredible operation. So, to recap, the Dabbawalas of Mumbai deliver over 200,000 meals every single day with near perfect accuracy. And they do it despite using simple tools and having a largely illiterate workforce. Their system, which is perfectly situated in Mumbai, serves workers who have to commute from the suburbs. The whole thing works like a finely tuned relay race, using smart color schemes, and number tactics to guarantee a flawless delivery. This model of efficiency and teamwork has gotten global attention, and it proves that dedication, smart planning, and just plain human ingenuity can achieve excellence even without high technology. And that's the incredible story of the Dabbawalas. It really leaves us with a powerful question to think about. In a world that is constantly chasing the next high-tech solution, what can we learn from the elegant, human-powered, and simple genius of the Dabbawalas? Thanks so much for watching.
Join Beyond Norm's output training to master English speaking and writing. Click the link below to get started.